5 класс, английский язык, проверочная работа номер 7, домашнее задание, страница 94. English, Spotlight 5, Progress check number 7, homework page 94. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please, page number 94, 94. Progress check number 7. We must do exercise number 1. Write the seasons. What season is it now? Напишите название времен года. Какое сейчас время года? The answer. Summer, winter, spring, autumn. It is winter now. Exercise number 2. Circle the odd word out. Обведите лишнее слово. The answer. Number 1. Leaves. Number 2. Shorts. Number 3. Caps. Number 4. Alaska. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Complete the gaps with the correct word. Заполните пропуски правильным словом. The answer. Number 1. What is the weather like in Edinburgh today? It's very hot and sunny. Number 2. How do I look in this jumper? You look lovely. It suits you perfectly. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Write sentences using the present simple and present continuous. Запишите предложение, используя present simple and present continuous. The answer. Number 1. She usually wears trainers, but today she is wearing high heels. Number 2. He usually watches TV, but today he is reading a book. Number 3. They usually wear blue shorts, but today they are wearing green ones. Number 4. We usually go swimming, but today we're having a picnic. My dear friends, do exercise number 5. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in brackets. Закончите предложение, используя правильную форму глагола в скобках. The answer. Number 1. I don't want to go out tonight, as I am studying for a test at the moment. Number 2. My brother plays football every Sunday, but this Sunday he is going camping. Number 3. Rose is talking to that French tourist at the moment. She speaks French well. Number 4. Tom is watching a film on the television now. He doesn't often do this. Exercise number 6. Use the prompts to complete the dialogue. Используйте подсказки, чтобы закончить диалог. The answer. Good morning, madam. How can I help you? I am looking for a skirt, please. The skirts are here. What size are you? I am 12. I like this one. How much is it? It's 45 pounds. Thanks, I'll take it. My dear friends, we must do the task. Now I can. The task: talk and write about the seasons and the weather. Russia is in Northern Europe and Asia. In winter, it is cold along the Black Sea coast, and it is freezing in Siberia. In summer, it is warm in the steppes and cool along the Arctic coast. If you decide to visit Russia, make sure you pack the right clothes. In winter, take a heavy wool sweater, a winter coat, boots and gloves and scarf. In summer, take a long-sleeved shirt, walking shoes and a jacket. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best.
Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the